You can increase the text size as well as display size of your Google Pixel phone in a few steps. Here's how. First, open the Settings app on your Google Pixel. Scroll down and select Display and Touch. Scroll down and select Display Size and Text. Here, you can use the sliders to adjust both the font size as well as the display size. Use this slider to increase only the size of text. Press the plus button to make the text larger. You can also change the display size, which makes everything on the screen bigger or smaller. Use this slider to change the display size. Changes you make to the text and display size are applied immediately. When you are satisfied with your new settings, return to the home screen. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.